Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a deep closet declutter, and I'm going to be going through and getting really strict about what I'm giving away because some of that stuff I have not worn in so long. I did a video like this not too long ago, and I haven't even worn half that stuff that I kept holding on to thinking that I was going to wear. So I'm just going to go through. I bought some new clothes recently and I have nowhere to hang them anymore because my closet is full. So I'm going to touch every item and I'm just going to become ruthless about what I am keeping. So that's what I'm saying now, but we'll see how it actually ends up. So this is my closet. As you guys can see, it is pretty full, especially here. I'm not so much worried about all this stuff, but I'm really worried about this stuff. I need to go through this now. And I'm also going to go through my drawers as well, I think. So I'm just going to put you guys up and just see what happens.
You make me nervous. I think I might be hooked on you. All of the things you said to me, it seems like you like me too. We can take it slow, make sure we do this right. Canceled all my plans to be with you tonight. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. You make me anxious. I think I might be stuck on you. I love the things you did for me, it seems like you're dropping clues. There's no need to rush, so let's just take our time. Dropping everything, 'cause you're stuck on my mind. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. So just sit with me, talking through the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think you were meant to be with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be.
Okay, so I was able to get a bunch of room. I just spread everything out, but I would have one more pile there. Plus, all those piles before were jam-packed. So that's good. And then look at all this room I have in between here. You guys, I had no free hangers, maybe one or two. So I'm actually really impressed with how much I was able to get rid of. And now I have room to hang up my new clothes. So that is awesome. And also look at all of the clothes that I'm getting rid of. So I feel really good. And I feel like I can go shopping now for more stuff. Well, you guys, that is it for my closet decluttering video. Let me know in the comments down below if you also need to declutter your closet, because I'm really hoping that this video is going to be some good inspiration to some of you. And sometimes you don't even need to really reorganize. You just need to go through and get rid of stuff that you don't need. So that was what I did in today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.